This video is going to be quite different from any of the others I've ever uploaded so far, and it's going to be about a specific riddle that Albert Einstein himself proposed not too long ago. It's called Einstein's Riddle, fittingly, and according to him, only 98%, only 2% of the world could solve it, 98% could not solve it. I personally disagree with this because I solved it. Well, it took me a while, but I solved it. And if I can solve it, I'm only 11, so I'm pretty sure a lot of people could solve it. And so what the riddle says is that there's 5 different houses, and they're each 5 different colors. And each of the houses, there's a person. And each of these people have a different nationality from each other. And the 5 owners, they each drink a different type of beverage, smoke a different kind of cigar, and keep a different pet. No owners have the same pet, cigar, or drink the same beverage, because I just overemphasized the word different and repeated it way too much. And so there are 15 facts over here, and you could just pause the video right now and copy those facts down. It'll be extremely useful, and so you can just pause the video right now as I'm just, this quality is terrible. The camera, there. You can just pause the video right now. I highly suggest it. And then the question is, who owns the fish? A fish is clearly a pet, so then, okay, let's start with the facts. Okay, so the first given fact that we're going to start with is that the Norwegian lives in the first house. This is clue number 9 for those of you not following. And then the next one is the Norwegian lives next to the blue house. And the only house that's next to the first house is the second house, and then the second house has to be blue. And it's also straight out given that the third house's owner drinks milk, so we're going to write that under beverage. Milk. And then the next 2 require a bit of reasoning, and it's 4 and 5. And it says the greenhouse is on the immediate left of the White House, and the greenhouse's owner drinks coffee. So this one cannot be the greenhouse or the White House, and this one clearly cannot be the greenhouse or the White House. This one cannot be the greenhouse or the White House, because this would have to be the greenhouse, and that can't work out. And then this one cannot also be the greenhouse, because the greenhouse's owner drinks coffee. And so the only possible solution is that if houses 4 and 5 were the green and white house respectively. And so I'm going to write that down over here. And then the next one is the Brit lives in the red house. So now we're looking for a house which neither has a color nor a nationality. The only one is number 3, so we're going to write down the color is red, the nationality is Brit. And so now, through a process of elimination, we can safely assume that house number 1 is yellow, because it's the only remaining color out of the 5 that's given. And so it's pretty easy from here until a certain point. And then right now, the owner of the yellow house smokes Dunhill. This is clue number 7. And so then the Norwegian must smoke Dunhill. And then it says, for clue number 11, the owner who keeps the horse lives next to the one who smokes Dunhill. So that means the horse owner is number 2, pet is over here. And so now this is the certain point where it stops becoming so completely simple. And so now it gets a bit more complicated. The Norwegian can only drink water from here, because the Brit already drinks milk, the Dane drinks tea, and the one who smokes Blue Master drinks beer, so he does not. And then and the owner of the greenhouse drinks coffee, so he is left with water. And then it says the owner who smokes blends lives next to the one who drinks water. So he smokes blend. And then it also says the owner who smokes blends lives next to the one who keeps cats. We cannot safely assume which of these two it is. That's going to come in handy later. And so right now it says the Dane drinks tea. We're looking for one which has neither a nationality nor a drink. So the Dane, no, not yet, because both houses 2 and 5, they have neither. So the next one is I believe the next one is the German smokes Prince and the owner who smokes Blue Masters drinks beer. So this and this is the possibilities for the German, and he smokes Prince, he does not smoke Blue Masters. That means he does not drink beer. That means he either drinks coffee or he either drinks he can only drink coffee, so that because the Dane drinks tea, remember? So that means this house must be the German's house. And he drinks coffee, and then the owner who smokes Blue Masters drinks beer. So we're going to look for one which has neither a smoke nor beverage. So that means the White House owner must have Blue Masters. No, and beverage is beer. And so then we can safely say that this one is tea and the Dane drinks tea. And again, we can say this is a Swede. And now the only two that are left is, for these two, it's Pall Mall, and I believe the other one is what's the other one? We have Dunhill, we have Blends. We do not have Pall Mall. We'll come back to that anyway. So for the house number 5, it says that the Swede keeps dogs. That's clue number 2. So we can write dogs here. And also, it says that this person does not also own the fish, because the Dane does not own the fish because they have the horse. And so I forgot to write the Prince. Prince is the last one. Over here, Prince. So that means the German has Prince. And so now we can say that the Brit smokes Pall Mall. And over here, it says the owner who smokes Pall Mall rears birds. And so now only 1 and 4 could own the fish, the Norwegian or the German. But this one last clue, which we said could be very important at the end, is going to come into play right now. And that is the one that says the owner who smokes blends lives next to the one who keeps cats. This is the one that smokes blends. This person is not, the Brit clearly does not keep cats, he keeps birds. That means the Norwegian keeps cats, which means through process of elimination we have every other box, and so now we can safely say the German owns the fish. Well, that's all for this video. I'll probably do more of these puzzle videos later, but this is probably going to be the first one, and I'm going to upload a lot more math videos now. And if I get to 100 subscribers, actually, I'm going to do a video called the physics of flipping a water bottle. This may or may not also be a bribe tactic to get 100 subscribers, because it's going to appeal to people, and my channel should appeal to people, because I do want to make learning fun. And so, well, that should be all for this video.